मारूफ उठो अब तुम हालात बदल डालो, आ जाओ रुकावट तो इतिहास बदल डालो।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Respectable Chief Guest, Honorable President of the Convention, Reverend judges and experts from their respective fields. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to speak some words on the topic of importance of English language. Dear audience, English is very important in today's world. It is the most important subject taught in schools. Now the main language for communication is English. If we go to any foreign country, the language through which we communicate is English. I think the language which we all should learn for speaking is English. It is prevalent in many countries including America, China, Russia, Indonesia and many others. The scope of English is so much that even in India, most subjects are taught in English language. So it means that the government also thinks that English is the language which everybody should know. Nowadays the students also tend to concentrate on English subject. Teachers also wants and thinks that students should pay as much heed to English as possible. Dear friends, we need to learn English to improve our communication skills. English is the language of science, computers and tourism. Knowing English increases your chances of getting a good job in a multinational companies within your home country and abroad as well. Dear audience, English is not only a language but it is also a way of communication. If you know English, you can survive easily in abroad, even in India. When you are in metropolitan cities, you will need English to communicate with people at every places. I would suggest you this organization provide you the best coaching center where you can build your knowledge, speak without hesitation, read and write and raise a question without fear. Dear audience, in last, I want to thank this organization to start a coaching center in Puramaru. There are so many students like me, they keen to learn English language. That is why I joined MEF English Coaching Center. I hope it will help me in future, inshallah. Here I would like to wind up my speech. That's all. Thank you.